This is the number 4 Seagull Word Study quiz. Number 1, subtitle. I couldn't understand what the actors were saying, so I was glad there was a subtitle I could read. Number 1 is subtitle. Number 2, enforce. It is a policeman's job to enforce the law. Number 2 is enforce. Number 3, propel. The quarterback will propel the football during the game. Number 3 is propel. Number 4, comrade. A synonym for friend is comrade. Number 4 is comrade. Number 5, progress. Alice had made great progress on her report. Number 5 is progress. Number 6, providers. There are many healthcare providers available to us. Number 6 is providers. Number 7, entrust. I entrust my parents to do what is best for me. Number 7 is entrust. Number 8, subtotal. The subtotal is what is owed before taxes are added. Number 8 is subtotal. Number 9, submarine. A submarine is a vehicle that moves under the water. Number 9 is submarine. Number 10, company. The company had 100 employees. Number 10 is company. Number 11, company. They were expecting company, so the house had to be picked up. Number 11 is company. Number 12, submerge. You must submerge your head underwater in order to swim. Number 12 is submerge.